True cybersecurity is preparing for what's next, not what was last. No technology that's connected to the internet is unhackable. Hans Raj Public School presents you a small talk on cybersecurity and mental health. Cybersecurity is the protection of electronic data and information. It's the defense of electronic systems on devices like computers, cell phones, servers, and networks from malicious attacks. Regardless of who you are, it's important to keep your data safe from unauthorized access. The world is now more reliant on technology than ever before. The emergence and growth of technology has led a positive impact on human life. But the convenience has, however, come with the risk of cyber attacks. If you think technology can solve your security problems, then you don't understand the problems and you don't understand the technology. No one is safe from the threat of cyber attacks. The fast development of technology such as fast broadband, better gadgets, and cloud computing has led to an increase in the number of connected devices, hence increasing security threats also. Tech users have become really vulnerable due to exposure to the internet without any prior knowledge and training. Whether you are an individual, a small business, a large organization, or even a government, you are at risk of being targeted for cybercrime. So be aware. Cyber attacks come in all shapes and sizes. Criminals are getting craftier with their malicious deeds, and here are some of the basic types of cyber attacks affecting thousands of people each day. Hackers have been around for a long time, and the first cybercrime occurred in the late 1970s. But over a period of time, the nature of cyber attacks has changed. From attacking individuals and demanding small amounts a decade ago, cyber criminals have demonstrated that they could bring down the entire institution. So, what can you do to stay safe? Secure your social media. Whether it is Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, you need to review the privacy policies and privacy settings of all the apps that you are using. You should know who can see what and which platform is sharing what data and with whom. For example, Twitter, set your account to protected. In Facebook, make the account visible to friends only in the privacy control settings. Use apps, tools, and websites that encrypt data. Use only websites that use HTTPS in the URL and a padlock icon next to it. Check the privacy policy of all the apps. Use strong and unique passwords. There are millions of stolen usernames and passwords sold by cybercriminals on the dark web. Weak passwords can be guessed or cracked in milliseconds, exposing your students' sensitive data. So it is advised to create passwords that are long, complex, and mixed. It should be a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters, and be as nonsensical as possible. Be vigilant regarding phishing scams. Student databases are a goldmine of personal student information. Cybercriminals have used student emails to apply for fraudulent loans, steal identities, and infect entire networks, crashing them completely. Know the terms and conditions. When you join a website, sign up for social media account, download an app, or even use an app that you already own. Be aware of the terms and conditions you agree to by downloading or using that app. Don't share personal information. This is fairly obvious, but it bears repeating. Don't share personal information, or at least be aware of exactly who might read about what. Update apps and devices operating system. Keep secure backups of important files or databases. Don't use unsecured Wi-Fi sources. Know your context and network. Always remember, one single vulnerability is all an attacker needs. Cybersecurity is a shared responsibility, and keep in mind that the more systems we secure, the more secure we all are. Thank you.